In this video, we're going to complete the first part of the keychain file, which is to add your own text to the source file. First thing we want to do is delete the current text that's here. It says Tide. You're going to go ahead and be able to put your own text there. Leave the Summers High School and the Spartan Head, however. So we're in the program Mastercam. The first thing you want to do is go to the levels in the bottom of the screen. And we want to uncheck visible for the body. If I uncheck this, you'll see the majority of the outline of the keychain disappear. What you should now do, press escape just to make sure that all tools are closed. And I'm going to click and drag and make a box around this text and go up top to the delete entities button, which looks like an eraser. Delete all selected entities, and now I'm going to go back into the levels and I'm going to make level 2 visible again. I want to make sure that I check level number 1 engrave before I finish, because this will make it easier to select your text later. Levels are just a way to turn things on and off to make them easier to work with. We're now going to add our own text. I'm going to go to Create, Letters. I'm going to type the text that I want to see into the box. And I'm going to click True Type. And once this box opens up, I'm going to locate Times New Roman from the list. Times New Roman. Say OK. The height of your letters under parameters, you want to set to about 0.2 is a good starting point. And you're going to click OK. And to place the letters onto the screen, I'm going to suggest placing it above the item. So there's my text, and that looks like it'll fit right in this area. If your text is a little smaller, or your word is a little smaller or a little larger, you may need to change that size a little bit to get it to fit across here. Once you have some text that works, we're going to press escape to make sure we've cleared all tools. I'm going to highlight my text, and I'm going to go to Xform, and I'm going to choose drag. It's going to say select the translation base point. Click in the lower portion of your letters here, and you want to make sure that you have move selected. This is copy, this is move. So if I pick move, now it's just going to move my text, and I'm using my cursor. I'm going to find a position that I like and click to place it, and come up and click the OK button. You're going to repeat this process for each of the group members. There are 3 keychains. Each group member will place their own text on top.